Hello, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into Zearn and everything. So you sign in with Google and you choose your school account that says what it has your name and then at alamosaschools.org. And so here you could see what lesson you're in right here. And if you go to my stuff, you could also see what lesson you are in, and you could look at wildcards, and if you click on them, it shows you like a little video. And yeah, that's what and you could, when you get on to Zearn tomorrow, you could choose it again and you could keep doing that. And if you want to sign out, you just press sign out. And if you want to have it like right here, you just press the star button and then it bookmark it, and then when you log back on, it's on